Yes.
Another video, guys.
Yes. Part 4. And then if this have
What part 4? What part 4? Part 1. I
sad, but your favorite
I don't know.
game
I don't
is
know what
sad.
part. Guys, tell me in the comments what is the part of
Bro. Bro. Kaven. Bro.
bombastic.
Kaven. Bro. 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 Kaven.
Bro, Ayana still love Brookhaven. Maybe he have a crush of them.
Why? Why not? Ikaw nga palagi ini-skin mo dun si Kuya Mango eh. Tapos si ano pa, tapos si TG man.
Maraming books.
What the? Sorry guys, not me.
Guys, tell the comments who love Max.
Cherry.
Guys, tell me the comments who love Max. Guys,
I'm little bit love math but not at all. I love a little. I love it little. You know, little.
Guys, tell the comments Ayana is lying or not.
I love math little because I know what is 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 is 11. Walang ano.
1 plus 1, 11 na yun.
Eh, wala kasing gano'n na walang equal. Di ba guys, walang equal, di ba 11?
1 plus 1?
Walang equal eh. Walang
1
equal
plus
eh.
1? Huh?
See? Knew it.
11? Ano yun? Guys, tell me the comments.
Knew it.
Yara say plus or not.
Guys, did you know what if they don't have equal, that's 11?
Guys,
Tell me the comments.
tell the comments.
Meh!
Guys.
Ay, alam na. Meron na select. Ano ba yan?
Say the comments. Ayana is lying or not. Trash.
Guys, who's trash? Bacons or Fendi Gaming?
Yeah.
Who's the fake? Who's the
Because he
trash?
hate bacons.
Who's trash? Let me in the comments. Who's the trash?
Bacons or
Fendi Gaming Robux.
we hate them because
She's a bacon hater. Kasi nang gumawa siya ng trend na I love, sabi ng bacon me, sabi niya, no, ew. I love every styles except for bacons. See, it's not love. And I say in the comments, bro, in the first time you play Roblox, you're a bacon too, right? Dumb wee wummy. I love your mom. Okay. What the? Alam niya yung mom ni Lani. Sino ba ako si Lani? Side eye. Offensive side eye. Guys, napanood niya na yung gut na bombastic side eye. Criminal offensive side eye. Nakakatawa yan eh. Nag-heart sa akin yung yung gumawa. Diba? Ano yung ginagawa mo? Okay, guys, di ba sa heaven, di ba si Papa Jesus?
oo, mabait.
Kaya dapat love natin yung country natin, tapos yung nature natin dapat walang basura.
Oo. So may Pilipinas.
Oo. Buti nga sa ibang bansa, onti lang mga basura. Oh, pero may basura din sa kanila. Kailangan natin Kailangan natin i-save yung nature natin. Diba?
My finger.
You ate it.
My finger. I bite my finger.
Cringe. Guys, did you know what is cringe? Tell me in the comments. Para tayo tell in the comments eh. Para, by the way. Contestant may now reply. Yes! Reply! Where would you like to go on vacation? Yes. Who? What? Sa akin? Sa Manila Zoo. Gusto ko pumunta sa Manila Zoo. Kasi yung baby pa ako, pinunta ako sa Manila so hindi ko naman nakikita. Kasi baby pa ako noon. Like 1 years old.
Yan na.
Yes.
Pogi ba to?
Really?
Good?
Really?
Good?
Really?
Good ba?
Yeah. What's your family heritage? What's your biggest goal in life? Yes, what's your biggest goal in your life? Maganda naman, di ba?
Guys, my biggest goal is max level in Blackfish.
Ako guys,
And I need a doll, a quake, and a dragon.
and a kitsun.
No. A spirit too.
My biggest goal is have help for people and
Yeah, me too. I
and
want
have infinite robots. That's only because I love peoples, but I can't because you know we can't. We're poor
that.
too.
Guys, if you see me in Black Fruits, then say Aki94 is the YouTuber in Ayana in Ayana and Aki Gaming. If you
Yes.
see me that.
Yes. Okay, so both time is indigo. Lagay natin indigo kasi may lang ako sa isip ko, yung parang iisip ko lang kasi nung guys, nung naglaro kami kagabi ng Twitter, kami, nabuta ko, ako naman yung real, ayan na, tapos binote nila ako. Yung isang poster, hindi naman siya sumasagot. Ano ba yun?
Dami kasi ako. Kung sino to choose.
Indigo. You see, yes, we know, he's the liar. So by the way, guys, and this is gonna be the end of the video. So I hope you like it. So yeah, bye.
Bye guys.
Subscribe.